Hello students, welcome to class 11 physics. In this video we are going to solve numerical of textbook exercise of chapter 4 motion in a plane. Numerical number 4.11. A passenger arriving in a new town wishes to go from the station to a hotel located 10 km away on a straight road from the station. That is, let us consider here the point A as the station and point B as the hotel. So the distance between them, it is 10 km. A dishonest cabman takes him along a circuitous path 23 km long and reaches the hotel in 28 minutes. That is, over here the path length of the cab, that is 23 km, and the time taken by him to reach the destination, that is to reach the hotel, is 28 minutes. So t is equals to 28 minutes. What is the average speed of the taxi and the magnitude of average velocity? Are the two equal? So the given data is displacement is 10 km. Path length over here is 23 km. That is the distance covered, the actual path of the cab, that is 23 km. Time taken is 28 minutes. To convert it into hour, we need to multiply by 1 by 60, that is divide by 60. We will be getting 28 by 60 hour. First we need to find the average speed. So average speed is path length upon time, where path length is 23 km and time taken is 28 by 60. So solving this we get 49.3 km per hour. Now average velocity is displacement upon time. Displacement is 10 and time taken, that is 28 by 60. So when we solve this we get 21.43 km per hour. So as you can see over here, the average speed is 49.3 km per hour and average velocity is 21.43 km per hour. So both of them is not same, thus they are not equal. So students, you may copy down this numerical. Now let us see numerical number 4.12. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meters per second. A woman rides bicycle with a speed of 10 meters per second in north to south direction. What is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella? So as you can see here, VR is nothing but the speed of the rain that is falling vertically, and woman is riding bicycle from north to south direction, that is indicated by VW, and its speed is 10 meters per second, right? So the opposite direction, that is shown by V minus VW. We need to find the direction in which the woman should hold the umbrella. Suppose velocity of the rain is VR and velocity of woman is VW vector. Here it is VW vector, where VR vector is equals to 30 meters per second and VB is equals to 10 meters per second. Angle of the resultant velocity with vertical is alpha. Then in triangle OCA, that is taking the projection of this resultant vector, that is velocity of the rain with respect to the woman, that makes vertical projection on the vertical axis. So from this triangle we can apply tan formula, that is tan alpha is equals to opposite upon adjacent, that is AC upon OA, and here we know AC is equivalent to OB. So OB upon OA, which is equals to 10 upon 30, that is equals to 1 by 3, and the value of 1 by 3 is 0.3333. So tan alpha is equals to 0.3333, and here we need to find the angle alpha. So let us see. In the natural tangent, the value is 0.3333. Here we are having the values. Here we are having the value 3327. So taking that 3327, you need to see that horizontally it is 18 degree, because the first column is for degree, and in that 3327 you need to see vertically it is 24 minutes, but here we need 3333 and we are having 3327, so we need to add 6. So we will be seeing this in mean difference. In mean difference, we can add this 6, that is from difference 2 minutes. So when we add that 6, we will be getting 3333. So degree is 18 degree, 24 minutes plus 2 minutes, that is 26 minutes. So we have the value 18 degree 26 minutes. The woman should hold the umbrella in 18 degree 26 minutes with rain towards the south. That is, she should hold the umbrella by making an angle 18 degree 26 minutes with respect to rain towards the south. So students, you may note down this numerical.